After the age of 40, many men notice changes in their body. Energy feels lower, circulation becomes weaker, recovery takes longer. Often these changes are linked to one key factor: blood flow. Healthy circulation supports the heart, muscles, brain, and male vitality. When blood flow slows down, stamina and overall performance also decline. One natural ingredient that has been used for centuries to support circulation is ginger. Ginger is not just a cooking spice. It contains powerful natural compounds that help warm the body and support blood vessel function. These compounds help relax blood vessels and improve blood movement. This allows oxygen and nutrients to reach cells more efficiently. For men, this matters a lot. Better circulation supports physical endurance, mental focus, male vitality, faster recovery. Another important benefit of ginger is inflammation control. Chronic inflammation quietly damages blood vessels over time. This reduces circulation and weakens overall health. Ginger helps reduce internal inflammation and supports a healthier internal environment. Ginger also supports digestion. After 40, digestion often becomes slower. Poor digestion leads to poor nutrient absorption, and that means lower energy. By supporting digestion, ginger helps the body use food more efficiently. What about stress? Stress tightens blood vessels and reduces circulation. Ginger supports the nervous system and promotes natural relaxation. So, is ginger a miracle solution? No, but it supports the systems that vitality depends on: circulation, digestion, and inflammation control. How should men use ginger? A small piece of fresh ginger in warm water, tea, or food once a day is enough. You don't need large amounts. No supplements. No extreme routines. Just consistency. When used regularly, many men notice warmer hands and feet, more stable energy, better stamina, improved overall vitality. If you're over 40 and want natural support for blood flow and strength, ginger is one of the smartest spices to include in your daily routine.